Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on comparing distances. In this video, students will see how to compare two given distances. Some of the words that may be used in this lesson are closer, further away, longer, shorter, nearer, about the same, higher and lower. For each of the following pictures, insert the most suitable word or words in the spaces provided within each sentence. Pick the words from the two choices in red. Students will make a judgment by looking at each picture. Now, the teachers will explain what's required here verbally, and then they will even give the students the two choices, and the students will decide on the correct word. So for the first one, the bird is closer or shorter to the sun than the car, so they are to pick the correct word here. The clouds are, and here is the space, from the trees than the car, and they are the two choices. The fence is than the tractor. The two choices are longer and shorter. The barn is than the sun, so lower or higher. The truck is to the house than the tractor, closer or further away. The yachts are than the clouds, so it'll be higher or lower. The tree is to the umbrella than the mountain. The choices will be closer or further away. The girl on the left is than the girl on the right, and the choices are higher and lower. So this video has talked about distances, and we've looked at comparisons, and students have been asked to choose the correct word to insert into a given sentence. And the teachers will explain what's required here. They'll even read the sentence to the students, and the students can pick the correct word once they know what they have to do.